Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. All you wonderful creative beings around the world, I am greeting you from the bottom of my heart. Heartily welcome here to my YouTube channel. And have I ever told you, when you spread your arms in the air, you cannot be unhappy? That's great, huh? That's so great. Sometimes you are unhappy with your paintings, is it? Everybody who is painting knows that. But you know from life itself that after a dark, dark night, there is coming a dawn. There is coming a light, a new day. And on what we keep our focus, that's important. Because there are times when we have to struggle with our paintings, and there are times when it's just flowing like nothing, and when we are just happy and wow, we are bathing in the colors and are happy. Both sides are there, both. But if we keep our focus on the positive in our painting, for example, our painting, there are some parts which we like and there are some parts which we don't like. And what are we going to do? Every time we are like that. Oh my God, yes, this part is so bad. Let's go inside it. So then you go inside of this bad part you don't like, and it becomes more worse, isn't it? But if you focus on that what is positive, what is good in your painting, and when you go into that deeper, then automatically the bad parts will lose its power, they loosen its power, and they become positive. It's like in our life. Our paintings are only mirrors of our life. And when you paint with your soul, with soul painting, you are with your soul, and your soul every time is happy. Your soul is balanced. It's in peace all the time. And this is spreading then into your whole life. It's very easy. It's very easy. Dearest friends, I wish you a happy, wonderful life, and I wish you happy times with your paintings.